Do you know that you can increase drastically the efficiency of your technical training by combining e-learning with the most modern and advanced techniques of the neuroscience? The subject of this video today of IBC paper training is how to develop the competencies of operators for the paper and the tissue industry, obtaining thus the maximum payoff. In our previous video, we learned about the importance of introducing spaced repetition to maximize the learning by adapting to the natural function of the brain. Now, we want to show how in practice we design a learning path, adapting the course of the lessons within the modules for a technical training. Here we show an example of how to design an effective training learning path. Let's consider a series of lessons that make up any module. In each lesson we have the content that the apprentice will learn. In order to make the content appealing, it includes several challenges that will force his brain to remain active, curious, challenged and mainly engaged throughout the modules. That's why we include self-evaluations in all the lessons, so that the learner can learn from his mistakes and feel the satisfaction of reaching out the correct answers in order to keep him motivated. Now it is important to space out the lessons correctly and start from general concepts by gradually deepening and creating repetitions to have an effect on his long-term memory. Before and at the end of each module, assessments are made with the objective to track progression, which is what really matters for an evaluation standpoint. In addition to the active e-learning modules lessons, we include short sessions to support the apprentices or their mentors, either on-site or remotely, with the purpose to reinforce the concepts and the lessons learned, but mainly to contextualize with the surroundings of the apprentice workplace. This shall be implemented between the modules, as it is extremely important that he learns by doing. Therefore, we are going to give him a list of practical activities that he will be following in order he has to perform himself, and thus putting into practice the learning by doing. Thanks for watching this video of IBC paper training till the end. Stay tuned and remember, train smart, train actively.